Hey guys, welcome to Tasty Buds. It's Ramya here. Today I am going to show you how to make adai dosai, which is also called as yellow dosa or protein dosa. Since we are adding all the dals, so it is much protein, hence it is called protein dosa. So let's check the ingredients what are required to make adai dosai. In the bowl I have taken 1 glass full of cooking rice. Into a small glass I have taken boiled rice. So I am mixing it together. Into the same measurement glass I have taken tur dal, chana dal, half of moong dal. In this glass half of moong dal, because adding one small glass of moong dal will turn its texture, so I am adding half of moong dal. Here 3 bedige red chilies. To give tikka spice I am adding this spice red chili. So 2 red chilies of different varieties are here. Whole urud dal of half a glass of whole urud dal. Here I will be adding while grinding half of ginger, coriander, a hand pick of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of salt, rock salt. So I will be soaking all the ingredients into an big wide vessel. After washing 2 to 3 times, I will be soaking for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, I will show how to grind the formation of batter dosa. So I am pouring into the bowl the rice, moong dal, chana dal, tur dal, half small glass of whole urud dal, red chilies. I will soak all the mixture of this in the water for 2 hours. So while grinding, I will be adding the salt, curry leaves, coriander, half ginger and asafoetida. After making a paste or a dough, I will show in which consistency it should be there to pour adai dosai. I have washed the dals thoroughly 2 to 3 times along with red chilies and have soaked in the water. I am showing this for your glance. So let this soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will be grinding it along the ingredients ginger, coriander, curry leaves, salt and asafoetida to make a batter to pour dosa. The batter is in the right consistency, as you can see here, to pour dosa. To make coconut chutney for 4 members, the coconuts are here in the bowl, hand picked cashew, seasoning curry leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies and bit of tamarind, teaspoon of salt. So I am adding into the jar coconut. By adding cashew to the chutney will give a good taste. So hand picked cashew for this much of coconut. Green chilies, tamarind, coriander leaves, salt. Mixing this all together, making a paste to make chutney for the adai. Here I have added to a teaspoon of oil, mustard, jeera, urud dal, curry leaves and asafoetida to give a tadka to the coconut chutney. Instead of taking a separate bowl, I am doing onto this tawa because I will be pouring even dosa on top of tawa. So, I am using it as 2-in-1. Now, I am pouring adai dosai on top of iron cast tawa which has been heated up well. It's cooked. I am applying oil. Put the flame into medium. As soon as the tawa get heated up after pouring dosa. Our beautiful adai dosai is ready along with chutney for the morning breakfast. Before pouring dosa batter onto a heated tawa, just take the onion, pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and smear it well. After you pour dosa, so it comes out very nice. Since it is not a non-stick, this is cast iron, so we need to do this procedure. One more dosa for your glance. So, I am just pouring ghee, a teaspoon of ghee on top of adai dosai, since it gives a good taste, since we have added dals. It is optional. You can add ghee or discard, it is your optional. So, a beautiful paper roast adai dosai is ready for your dinner. You can have it as dinner as well as in the morning breakfast. I am serving here along with green chutney which I showed you earlier, where I have mixed with coconut along with cashew. So, you can see the texture of dosa, a very thin paper roast adai dosai. So, please follow the procedures how I have told and make your dosai a breakfast a wonderful one. And also do not forget to subscribe my channel Tasty Buds for more updates and recipes. Thank you so much.